Okay, tonight I'll show a field strip of Kimber 45 ACP. It's a Kimber Ultra carry too. And then I'll show a field strip, a Glock model 23 40 caliber. We'll start with a Kimber first. Inject the magazine. We'll check it. Make sure it's clear. And it is. Okay, first thing you do is there's a little half moon shape right there. You slide it back right to the slide stop. Push the slide stop in. Pull that out. Put your Kimber spring compression tool right in here. See that or not? Slide it off. And the spring and the tool come out together as one piece. Push this little part down, and out comes the barrel. Now we'll put it back together. Put the barrel in first. Put the spring assembly in. This thing. Take the spring tool out. Put the slide stop back in. The trick of this is line the little half moon up right there and push in and up at the same time. Yeah, nothing to it. Kimber 45. I'll do the Glock model 23. Check the magazine. See these siders, little levers right there, in there. Pull those down. Pull the trigger. Springs up. The barrel out. Let's do it. Barrel in. Magazine back in. This is it. Kimber I just got yesterday. I'm not real good at it yet, but I'm working on it. Paid about $8.50 for it, plus I bought an extra magazine and a holster. And I've had this for about 10 years. Never had one jam on it, not one single problem out of it yet. I love this gun. But I'm still getting used to the Kimber. I might like it better, I don't know. I'll let you know.